Class 7th. Today we are going to study about the science. What you have studied in previous class, we had already discussed about the mode of nutrition in living organisms. There were two mode of nutrition in living organisms: autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. The basic knowledge about nutrition I had already taught you in previous class. From this day I am going to teach you autotrophic mode of nutrition in plants. Autotrophic mode of nutrition in plants. Excellent. Mode of nutrition, that is the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. We have to discuss on photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Here two syllable words, photo plus synthesis. Here photo means light, synthesis, you can say synthesize, it means to make or to do. Translation, Prakash translation, synthesis, to make. Plants prepare their food by photosynthesis phenomena. What is photosynthesis, beta? So photosynthesis is a process in which plants prepare their food in stomata of leaf by inhaling sun rays and carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, water and minerals from the roots, from the soil through the roots. That is called the photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, plants prepare glucose. This is carbohydrate, you can say also. And after completion, it make a starch. And this food is being taken by different animals. So directly or indirectly, human beings depend upon plants. So plants are the producer. All green plants use sunlight as for heat energy for making food. Thus, definition of photosynthesis: photosynthesis, the entire phenomena storage plants prepare their food by taking sunlight, carbon dioxide, water and minerals in the stomata of leaf is known as photosynthesis. Now you may watch your after some time you will check whether the which word is visible or not. देखिए सर for photosynthesis. The following are raw materials. मतलब फोटोसिंथेसिस के लिए कौन कौन से कच्चे पदार्थ चाहिए. तो सबसे पहले उनको क्या क्या चाहिए, जो मेन और इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज है वो है सनलाइट. दूसरा है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. तीसरा है वाटर. चौथा है मिनरल्स. और लास्ट वन में स्टोमेटा में क्लोरोफिल. फोटोसिंथेसिस के फेनोमेना के लिए ये 5 बहुत ही आवश्यक चीजें हैं. सनलाइट, it gives the heat energy, and this chlorophyll is a chemical compound which traps the sunlight and helps to produce the heat energy. And then carbon dioxide is being taken by the stomata of the leaves, and during with help of water and minerals, sunlight provide heat and prepare glucose. So let's we have a look on different when sunlight falls on chlorophyll. These molecules traps the sunlight as heat energy is absorbed. Another one, carbon dioxide. It is the second most important raw material. Which enter in leaves through stomata. Third one, water. Water is absorbed by roots from soil. Take a snapshot. Minerals are also absorbed by roots as minerals, zinc, sulfur, or you can say another materials. There are so many types of chemical substances which are being used by plants as raw material for minerals. Then let's we have a look of chemical formula for photosynthesis. Six CO2 plus 6 H2O, sun rays, C6 H12 O6 plus 6 O2. This is the glucose, and this is the oxygen molecules, so that plants prepare their food and release oxygen. That's why plants are the life. Plants use carbon dioxide and release huge amount or sufficient amount of oxygen into the atmosphere. Now in the next class we will study about the green leaves, the food factories of plants.